Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Nana Bhan.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
Something feels different, but it feels so right.
It feels a little wrong,
Yeah, it
actually. It
feels
feels a
very wrong.
little
I'm so
illegal,
disoriented.
but
We
it's
just,
happening,
yeah.
and that's all that really matters.
Guess what it is? Comment down below and leave us a review and give us a rating. And
On Spotify,
yes, follow us.
follow us on Spotify, subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram also. Now, while
That's
y'all
true.
are at it, don't be cheap. Like it's free,
Yeah.
literally. All of these things are like free. Like it's so rude. It's just so rude. You have no reason.
Sakshi, is that you flirting with our audience?
Yeah, because I only complain, I don't flirt.
Yeah, dude, literally the sweetest thing that comes out of your mouth is "Hi guys," and then
then
after that
it's
it's like "You suck, cock, cock, cock." Let's get into the
Let's
episode.
get into the episode. So, my friend was with this guy, okay, last week, and he, at some point during their little escapade, held her lower belly and said, I think this is so attractive. I don't like a Victoria's Secret angel. I like a real woman. Would I be lying if I said she didn't go to the bathroom and cry for 10 minutes? Yes, because she did. And relatable because I would have done the same. And I just don't think that's the perfect hookup. Like, I'm not into it. Like, guys think they're like, oh my God, haha, don't cut yourself. And it's just your stretch marks. And guys think they've toroed it by saying it. But they just don't know what they're doing. And I'm very upset. Why don't guys know what they're doing?
I think there is a distinction between like your partner finding your flaws attractive and a hookup finding or trying to gaslight you into believing your flaws are attractive. Because if you're swiping on the fact that you didn't like the way the air around me seemed in this picture on a dating app, to hell with the belief that you are saying that my stretch marks are suddenly something you find attractive for this one time we're going to hook up. No, no, no.
No. Yeah.
If they were so attractive, you would have paid for this meal.
You wouldn't have made me split it.
Yeah.
But there is something to like the more women a guy has been with, the more he's like, yeah, I know what stretch marks are, I know what cellulite is. But I don't care. Just make me sound perfect. Like, for that 1 hour, just say, oh my God, you look like you have a 24-inch waist. We both know you're lying. But have I come to you for the truth?
No.
No.
I've come to you for the perfect hookup.
Really?
Yeah.
And it has come to our notice that a lot of men that watch this are like, oh, we watch this to navigate what women think. So today, actually, the girlies, feel free to disagree in the comments to whatever we're saying, but we are here to help the girlies get the perfect hookup by dartoing the
Boys.
boys.
Boys. Yeah. The boys. Sorry.
boys.
I'm not a copywriter. I'm
Ooh.
just a podcaster who doesn't know what she's doing. It's fine.
Two yappers in a room.
They might come up with the most beautiful dreamboat man ever to exist. Comment down below if you think any of this is worth your time.
Yeah, I'm just like, oh, when a man is really nice to you.
Okay, tell me.
Okay.
Firstly, what is a perfect hookup?
You know what? I feel like I want the boyfriend experience. Lie to me.
That specific boyfriend experience.
No,
The
like
one
for
where he
that
lies
1
to
hour,
you.
that 1 hour that we are hooking up.
Yeah.
Kiss me on the forehead.
Yeah. Oh my
Kiss
God.
me on the cheek. Say I'm the best partner you've ever had. We both know you're lying. But why not?
Okay. So the perfect hookup is somebody who gives you like romance on steroids for a 24-hour period, and then it's a vanishing message and it just disappears and we don't have to
Sure.
talk to each other.
That's
ever.
none of my business.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
happens after, I
Whatever.
don't care. But in the moment, treat me like a princess. I won't fall in love with you, I promise. You know, but like, don't be like, oh, you're just a hookup. Go find your own towel after I've finished.
That's true.
Like,
That's true.
come on.
I would love for a hookup to be super premium, like a luxury experience.
Right.
And that I just mean like, you don't have to take me on a yacht,
No.
but you can give me a little massage. You can like set up some candles. You can, throw some rose petals.
Right. It has to be like an urban company massage.
Yeah. And
like,
not the starting.
no,
The
Lux category.
Lux
urban
category.
company.
Yeah.
Where they come with their own massage bed. They play the music on their phone. They light a little candle. They let you pick the oil. You know, I'm not saying take me to Jiva Boat Spa in Udaipur. I'm saying just create the experience at home.
That's true. Okay. Now we've established that vibe chahiye.
Vibe to chahiye. Vibe.
That's
I
literally
forgive a lot for the vibe. And that's less than the bare minimum. Like, I was just about to say, like, okay, what do you think of like body hair in men? Because we yap a lot about like body hair in women. Men are not pulling their weight like that. You get what you get with men. They're not like, oh, do you prefer my chest hair on or off?
I actually really like body hair.
I like it also. Like, I'm okay. I'm like, it's your body, your choice.
Yeah.
But where is that compassion when it comes to me?
Like the only body hair that I'm like, you can groom is the ear or maybe like the back of your neck. Those two, like you can try and not.
Have unfortunately, never encountered a little upper back hair.
But apart
Except
from
in
that,
myself.
yeah, exactly. I'm like, if I can take it off on time, you can.
And I'm doing it myself.
Yeah.
Like, come on.
Literally the mirror or the selfie camera. You're just going to
And then you can't get the middle part, so you just have one.
One time I thought I'd tie like my shaver to a stick just for like
a back scratcher. But it's just a razor.
Yeah.
No, I think little grooming down there for men
Great.
would appreciate.
Yeah.
Like, don't raw dog it. You
Yeah.
know? Like,
Okay.
it's not a vibe for me. But like with your chest hair, with your face hair, with your leg hair, do what you want.
Chest
Like,
hair is so sexy. I have to say. I find it damn sexy. I'm like into the whole Anil Kapoor school of body hair.
I like chest hair,
Yeah.
but not
Okay.
not
theek hai.
like when it comes on your shoulders, it's a little bit of an issue. Like Anil Kapoor is like he's wearing a sweater even when he's shirtless.
That's
But I like manly.
like I'm Kashmiri, right? So Kashmiris are known for their body hair. And the
Really?
sweetest is the little arm, for the hair on the shoulder. And
Like
it's
a
very
shoulder
fine and
pad.
kind of long. So when the wind blows, all my uncles, there's like some action happening where it's just like taking little gentle wispy.
The more you know.
The more you know.
I had no idea.
I have a PhD on body hair.
Dude, I'm very hairy. Like, arguably, there are 20 people in the room. I'm the hairiest of them all. Like, and there's no shame in the hairy game, you know?
Yeah.
But, like, if I'm going to shave before a hookup, I at least expect some grooming,
Okay.
a trim,
Okay.
perhaps.
So point number 1, vibe honi chahiye. Point number 2, grooming honi chahiye.
Grooming. Yeah.
But with grooming also, okay, body hair, etc., nails cut, please.
If you have long nails, go home, bro. Like, it's not happening. Girls also, please don't hook up with a guy with long nails. No, just not happening.
So no
Ick.
long nails, grooming, and also like just wear clean socks, like basic things like that, which go a long way.
If you're wearing socks during a hookup,
No, but have they ever taken the shoe off and there's like one hole and you can see one toe and you can't unsee that toe?
inshallah, I never have to.
Inshallah, you never have to. But sometimes you're just a girl stuck in the middle of like a date where you don't know if to call
And
it
then,
quits.
yeah, and then
Or
you
to-
can't, right?
yeah.
Because it seems so petty because I can see your pinky toe.
Yeah.
I don't want to hook up with you, but also, why can I see your pinky toe?
And they try to make it cutesy. They're like, oops, just my little toe peeking out. I'm like, I don't need to see this, dude.
You're a grown man.
Yeah.
You cannot wear socks with holes when you are trying to get a hookup.
Is fashion a big thing for you with your hookup?
You know what it is? I do care about the type of underwear that a guy wears.
Mhm.
I don't want to see tighty whities. It's
Mhm.
like, you know, and I like a guy fully clothed and then I like him naked. Whatever happens in the middle of that is none of my business. Like,
Yeah.
I don't want to see you shirtless with jeans.
Yeah.
Just not me.
Only Salman can do that. No one else is
But I
allowed.
also don't want to see you with a shirt and no pants.
That's true. If anybody watched Stree 2, okay, Varun Dhawan has made a great body. Very proud of you, Varun. But now that he's made it, he's just not putting clothes on. And he's like, it's because I'm a wolf. I'm like, no, it's not. It's because you want to show your abs. Like, that's the...
Varun Dhawan is in Stree too.
Oh, sorry. Spoiler.
Oh,
It's
no.
okay. It's reached 300 crores. Now, if you
Okay,
haven't...
okay.
Yeah.
I haven't watched it. so-
Basically, he's Bhedia, right? Have you seen Bhedia? Okay,
Sorry.
different episode. Yeah, it's fine. So basically, he's supposed to be a werewolf,
Okay.
and he's jacked. Like he is
Love it.
very, very
Yeah.
good to look at without a shirt on. But man, that guy won't put a shirt on, like to save his life.
Honestly, fair. I get it. But also with jeans,
Yeah,
no.
it's giving Aksa Beach.
And the thing is, guys are also wearing, like, what happened to boys' jeans at some point? None of them look good anymore. Like, just wear the linen pants because y'all are not able to get the jeans right. Either y'all are wearing wide leg or y'all are wearing skinny jeans. Where is the regular fit jeans? Like, go get some jeans.
The
That-
bar, the little bar that's being raised. The great thing with dating apps is that guys have perfected the mid shot. And a big part of that mid shot is this t shirt that makes their body look like they've arrived from some Grecian island, you know? Jacked, like nice shoulders. You can see a little vein in the, you know, in the.
It also goes like it fits on the chest and
Yeah.
then it doesn't fit on the stomach.
Yes.
And I feel like that's the mark of like a. I know you don't have a good body. I know it's the t-shirt. I know you have gone shopping. You all have gone to the Soul Store website, gotten one of those nice structured t-shirts. And I know I'm getting shirt fished right now. But it works.
It
And I
works.
can't see your jeans. And I can't see how tall you are because it's a mid-shot. So it fucking works.
Comment down below if the guys on this in this audience have been exposed by this comment. 100%.
You know, guys keep doing this.
And what do girls keep doing?
Bro, but girls can just put a pillow on their lower belly. Guys don't have that privilege, you know. It's hard to be a guy. Bro, but I have one friend, every time I wear high-waisted, he's like, oh my God, who do you think you're fooling? And I'm like,
Myself. The first
Myself.
person you need to fool every day when you wake up in the morning is yourself. That's the only way you can move on with your day. There is no other motivation than to be so at odds with yourself.
yeah, and we've gone back into insecurities
Yeah.
of
Okay.
ourselves. But
Coming
we're
back.
talking about men and how men need to be less confident.
Okay, so point 4 was good fashion, and point 5 is be less confident, but also be quite confident.
You know, the thing is, I feel like if a man cracks a joke about him having a small dick or him being short or something, I'm like, this man fucks. Like, he's good. But if some dude is like, I'm gonna make you have the best night of your life, I
Yeah.
know.
Instant scam. Jambi
Yeah.
Rummy insert.
I know it's not happening. Like, take a joke on yourself. The sexiest thing you can do is take a joke on yourself. Like, if some girl's like negging you, be like, yeah, actually, I am loser. That's
so
when
true.
I know.
That's so true. Actually, it's not confidence. It's just stop being so self-serious.
Yeah.
No one needs to be serious. Look at us. Look at how sexy we are. Do you see the way we just
youth sexiness.
Yeah, we're
like
sex appeal pro max?
first thing people see this podcast, they're like, Naina and Sakshi, sex icons.
100%, dude. What are you saying? The way you and I take time to comment and just like just joke back with our haters. It's so good.
Really, the sexiest thing a woman can do is be us. No, I love all the women watching the pod. This is the dart segment for the boys. The boys take a joke, you
Yeah.
know. And also, if you like, I've noticed if you're hooking up with a guy and he's told you before that he's really good in bed,
Yeah, he's not good in
2
bed.
on 10 on his best day is a 2 on 10.
Yeah, but if a guy made me laugh the entire night, I had a great time, even if he was 2 on 10 in bed, he's a 10 on 10 for
Yeah.
me. I'm like, I'm here for the vibe, I'm here for the journey. He treated me well, he treated me like a human being.
But he's not a 2 on 10. He's never a 2 on.
That's
The
true.
funny guys are never a 2 on 10 in bed. They are so good.
The funny guys make eye contact, but in a really nice way.
They're giving you the girlfriend experience, the boyfriend experience. They're like looking you in the eye and they're like, oh,
Yeah.
remember that inside joke we made earlier?
Yeah.
I'm not just looking at you as a sexual being.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you with feels.
That's true. Funny guys, you know that they're a little bit detail oriented because they're looking out for cues to see what gets you going, what
Yeah.
makes your eyes spark up, right?
Yeah.
And then that translates in a 360 experience. We love you, funny guys.
We love you, funny guys. Keep being funny.
funny. But use peptides. They're very good for your skin.
A little retinol.
Didn't
Oh,
hurt no one. Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
if you're going to a guy's house to hook up, guys, first of all, if you do not have sabun in your bathroom, don't call me home. Don't call anyone home. If you can't have toilet paper, liquid hand wash, body wash, face wash,
Tissue,
tissue, I need a fucking
hand towel.
dustbin,
Dust.
hand towel, but it cannot be pre-wet. A clean hand towel. Like, I don't want to see how many people have wiped their hands on this hand towel. It's gross.
It's gross. One bonus point, if you have dhakkans, put them back on the. There's nothing screams like I have my life together than like a lid on a
Yeah.
bottle in your bathroom.
Your toothbrush cannot be on the counter.
You know what is riz? Like subconscious riz. Like you go into a boy's bathroom and he's got like a diffuser. Ooh,
Stunning.
Stunning.
Like, even the incense sticks
Yeah.
if someone has, I'm like,
Stunning.
okay, yeah, I know you live with your mom. Like, I'm not like, sure. But your mom cares about the women in your life. I
Yeah.
love that.
I love
like,
that.
and also, I mean, I feel like guys who are like, I'll tear your clothes off, piss me off. Because
Don't tear my clothes off.
my Vada Pav t-shirt you want to tear? No. Not at all.
Also, when you're going to somebody's house, at least at my age, like I don't want to sneak into your house. I want to go with my chest held high. I've come here to hook up. I haven't come here to like be the like lecture your mother gives you the next day. Be like, why are you getting so many? You think I'm asleep? I know what you're doing. I don't want to be that face. I don't want to be that.
I'm not
person.
interested in being quiet.
And then yeah, you're like shh, shh, shh. You're like shh, shh, shh. My
Covers
parents are
your
in the-
mouth halfway through.
and it's not a
orgasm.
sexy.
No,
way.
it's like, shut the fuck up. Like, or you and your mom have an understanding. She starts playing music. Like, sure, it's none of my business.
She starts watching Shin-chan and
She starts.
starts. Sorry,
But
I'm
people
really
have
into-
been saying I look like Shin-chan's mom.
Yeah, one person said it. Now
Lots of people. I got
Really?
DMs about it.
it's the curly hair. I
Maybe.
think so. She's
She-
very hot, huh, Shin-chan?
I've
Oh.
never watched Shin-chan. I wasn't allowed. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And if you don't allow me to watch Shin-chan, I'm not into it.
Okay, so that is now we're on. Be proud to have sex with me.
Yeah, don't do doggy. Doggy, like, if I ask you what's your favorite sex position and you say doggy, I'm blocking you. I don't give a fuck. Because that means you don't want to give me a cheek kiss.
I was just going to say, if I ask you what is your favorite sex position, you have to say just looking into your eyes.
Missionary. Say missionary. You'll get everything. Just say I like missionary. It's a big green flag if a guy's like, oh yeah, with the right person, missionary. I love that. Like, we're so simple. Also, like, don't wear your socks in bed, especially the torn ones.
What do you think of like accessory? Like, I just find it weird to be disrobed but have accessories on. I just find it, I feel like, Rose in the Titanic. She just has that one pendant.
Take it off.
It's so weird.
Yeah. No, I get that. But like, how?
Each time I start demonstrating.
Me.
Yeah, literally.
I'm always wearing at least 6 rings, some earrings, and 2 necklaces. And by the time I remove this, the guy will have gone home. Like, TK rings, I get it because like they're easy to take off.
Yeah.
If I have to sit and take off my necklace stack,
Hmm.
the time has passed.
Hmm.
I also wear like this necklace that says bitch, so I feel like I have to take it off, you know. Otherwise, I feel very disrespectful.
Yeah, it is. Poor guy, he'd cry in bed.
No, I will cry in bed because I'm like, why are you calling me a bitch? He's not. But in my head, I'm like,
Bitch.
this is too disrespectful to me, myself, and I.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did whatever she said, please. In summation, that.
This is just a me thing.
Yeah.
This is not even
Like
for
this-
the women
yeah.
anymore. I'm like talking to one particular guy.
My one thing for a perfect hookup is that please just have good taste. Have good taste in a restaurant. Have good taste in the menu. Like, it's nice if I have an experience. I want to feel like I'm in an Airbnb cultural experience when I'm going on that date. I don't want to use my brain. I want to learn new things.
Right. And like, you know, I'm clocking every move of yours. No pressure, guys.
Yeah.
But like, if you, I don't even care about this usually, but like, you know how like guys like walk on the outside of the road and I walk on the inside. If I'm actually with someone, I don't give a fuck about it. But do I clock it on a date? If you lean over me to grab some food instead of asking me to pass it, do I clock it? Absolutely.
Giving me the first bite of your thing. That's so hot.
Really, I don't like people sharing my food.
No, I just want the first bite of what he's eating. And he's like, hey, try this. You'd love it. How do you know what I love? And why are you so right? It's so hot.
Fair. I also like a little bit of a ordering, like over ordering situation.
Yes.
Don't order one dish. It's sick. like I don't want to say I want to order 2 things, but I like, and then I just want to try a bunch of things and then you finish it. Be the dustbin.
She's
It's the
looking
hottest
for a
thing
dad, basically. This is such a dad quality.
Bro, all boys.
Yeah.
All, like, I mean, that's the mark. There are 3 boys in the room. Please nod. Y'all don't even know what I'm talking about. No one's nodding. I'll go fuck myself. Vedant, add some nodding.
This too, even I wouldn't know how to do.
What?
Add a nod. Okay, add a nod. Okay, sorry. This is my tetanus moment in this episode. It's okay. It's fine.
I think it's we've shifted positions, right, this time. So I think Naina is channeling my brain. So she's unable to think.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's true.
No,
No, fuck, she's
I
so
was-
dumb.
No, when you said change positions, I just got sidetracked.
Oh,
And then
you
I was
were-
just like,
But we said missionary.
Yeah, exactly. Other things, bonus things, rapid fire.
Rapid fire.
Yeah.
Fuck. I like if you are rocking a fade, rock a fade. Don't let it grow out. Get a haircut before this date. Like, you know, I don't want to hook up with you when you're at your work. I got my eyebrows done. That's a lie. I didn't.
Mhm.
But I got, hypothetically, if you rock a fade, rock a fade.
Mhm.
Don't talk about your football team.
Mm.
I don't want to know how much you love your football team because then I know you're capable of love and you're choosing to not love me.
That's true.
I don't like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't talk about your ex. No one wants to hear about your ex, whether it's negative or positive. If you're still in love with your ex, none of my business. If you hate your ex, none of my business. If she's actually bad shit, none of my business. For me, you are a virgin.
Mhm.
You know, even if it's a hookup, like you are exploring things for the first time with me. And you're just good at it from the beginning. Also, don't be a virgin.
You're going, that was really rapid. I'm just trying
You
to catch
asked
on to
me.
one thought each time.
I have thoughts.
No, yesterday, this thing about like calling your ex crazy or something, why do I need to know that? Yesterday,
Yeah.
someone told me, they were like, oh, all of my exes, they remember me with so much adulation. And I was like, all of my exes remember me as the most psychotic person they've ever dated.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like all of my exes love me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They love to love me. But they can't have me.
No, like, I mean, I'm on great terms with all my exes from a distance.
Don't know what that feels like.
It's not easy being me.
It's not easy being me. It's very hard to be me. I have so many feelings, I have to block everyone. It's very difficult.
Wait, but you're not like other girls. Like, okay,
Hmm.
let's talk.
Let's talk.
So, you know how, like, I get the ick when a guy says you're not like other girls, those exact words. But would I be lying if in a room with just a guy and a girl, me and a guy, if he said, I've never met anyone like you before, I know it should give me the ick. Like, I'm aware. But in that moment, I'm unable to ick myself out. I'm like, that's so hot.
So there's,
Unfortunately.
when you're alone with someone, there are certain things that really do light up the pick me in you.
Hmm.
Because they do. Now, I want to feel good in that moment, right? It's like eating a
Right.
dessert. I'm not going to now sit and feel bad because I'm eating the hot chocolate fudge at 3 a.m. at night and I have gym tomorrow. I want, if you're saying you're special, I've never met anyone like you, like, you know, I'm going to take that.
It's a guilty pleasure.
Yeah.
I will say I hate myself a little bit after, but in the moment,
I
do
am
feel
special, man. I'm
yeah.
special.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. But don't say it on a date. Say it when I'm naked.
Yeah.
For it to count.
Say it after we shared the most vulnerable
Yeah,
moment.
it has to be
Yeah.
vulnerable. Like, if you say it on a date, I'm like, yuck. But if you say it when I've, like,
Shared my life with you. For
yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, or like, you know, another thing that unfortunately really works on me is you've had such a tough life. Like, this sympathy, if a man in private, in bed, gives me sympathy, I'm ready for round 2. I'm like, thank you. Like, you get me. Like, no one else has. And it's like just kindness. Unfortunately. Yeah, so the lines work.
The lines work.
Unfortunately.
We're all imposters.
Yeah.
Every girl sitting
just
watching
you
this is
and
an
me.
No.
Don't even offer me a t-shirt unless it's going to be oversized on me.
No.
Like, I'm just not interested.
Dude, you know the man in my life and how we have the same size. It's sick. I just want to feel fragile. I've gone to the gym, I've worked out, I'm doing high intensity, I'm trying to lose the inches, and we still fit snug. Like, what the fuck?
It's actually disrespectful.
It's such disrespect. Just for me, leave
Buy
some.
oversized.
Yeah, just leave some 2-3 there, na. So I'm like, oh, I'm just a little angel.
Babe.
Yeah.
You're so tiny.
Bro, I literally look like Khadak Singh. Like, there is no other way. I look like I'm on the hockey team from the 70s, not even current day. Current day, they're all super like fly with Riz.
But
Back in the day.
That's when I come.
Yeah, that's when Ajay
Dude.
Devgan coaches me in a film.
This one guy told me he's really into chubby triceps. And I was like, what?
What does that
How
mean?
dare you? Like, he likes girls with like flabby arms, I guess. And do I fit that profile? Yes. But how dare you?
Yeah.
Like, don't ever look me in the eye and say that shit again. Like, I'm not interested. Like, just say, oh my God, you have Barbie arms.
Yeah.
I don't care. Like, lie. Like, I feel like the perfect hookup lies, is what I'm saying.
Started there, ended there.
Yeah.
Simple thought, classic thought.
Yeah. But also be honest about your line. You
आओ
know?
मुझे झूठ बोलो.
No, but mean it. Girls just want one thing, and it's for you to lie truthfully. How hard is that? Do you have any like red flag guy names that you're like, तू कितना भी अच्छा हो, मैं तेरे को तो नहीं fuck करूंगी.
To today we were swiping on your.
Right.
There was one name that came across. Fennel.
Fennel. Yeah. It's so close to phenyl. Like, what are your parents thinking? Sorry, if any Fennel is watching this, that's fine. I don't like my name. It's too basic. Fennel is like, what?
I don't know. But what is a good name to hook up with? If you just had to be super, like, very superficial.
I like any name that kind of, like, I can say like a bitch.
Arjun.
Arjun. Or like a,
Nikhil.
it's anything that ends with like a weird,
Ayurved.
anything with an R in it.
Yeah.
Like, I like to roll my R's. So
Yeah.
I can't do it. But anything that has an R that I can like stretch,
Yeah.
I'm into it. Yeah.
I also like that one section of like Fateh, Zoravar.
Zoravar.
You
Yeah,
know?
because it's the R. The
R.
R-A combo is hot.
But I don't like the Kai and whatever, like,
yeah. I don't
fancy
want to know
names.
if your parents are hippies. I want to know that your parents are strict. Because like we've established, the stricter the parents, the better you are in bed.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't make the rules. I kind of do make the rules. And like right now on Bumble, there was a guy. I'm sure his name is Akash, but his name on Bumble was Sky. Sky? Who are you trying to fool, Sky? What the fuck, Sky?
Poor guy. He's going to get shaded on Bumble by every Moss listener.
All three of them. Dude, can we please talk about how this podcast has remained underrated
Yeah.
for so long? Why? Dude, but I will say if a guy says I like the podcast, smash.
You said this.
Oh yeah, smash.
Just text Sakshi saying you like the podcast.
No. But it has to be like you discover the podcast after you speak to me.
Okay. And it's that they randomly discovered the podcast, or is it that somebody
Googled me.
suggested it, or they
They
Googled you?
Googled me.
Do you like if a guy knows who you are and like knows what you're about before? Okay.
Like I like to be quiet. In fact, I never convert anyone from like a dating app to Instagram.
I love the conversion. It's like a
Yeah.
fucking sale. Like,
It is
okay.
because you like put a bunch of shit in your cart and then you don't buy all of it. So till you're talking on a dating app, nothing really counts. You're still shopping. But then when you convert to like WhatsApp, it's a product that is in a return period. It's part of your roster. That's when your roster starts.
That's so interesting.
Yeah.
I've never
The
had
more
that.
you
No?
know.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, okay, if I get him to WhatsApp, he's mine for a limited period.
He's
of
not
time.
yours then.
He's
But-
mine, and it's a sisterhood of traveling pants. Like, he's
Yeah.
mine, then
He's
he's hers. Then
ours. He's the community.
yeah,
Yeah. Hot.
AC switched off, and so was my brain.
Dude, same. But you know what it is? I don't think my brain has switched off. I'm thinking about like, I've just built the perfect hookup in my head. And I just know that I'm not going to get it. Like, or if I do get it, I'll fall in love. And then that's not good for anyone because I asked him to lie to me and that's not him. But then once I like a guy, then I'm like submaaf. So the goal is like to not like the guy. But also if he's lying to me and yapping about the right things, I'm like, I'm falling for you.
It's very hard. Like, I've always wanted a hoe face, but I fall in love with the first hoe that I meet.
Oh no, I can have a hoe face for sure. But I just feel like, what's the point?
Yeah, like I can't do casual. I can't casually date. Like, if you're sitting in front of me, I've named our children.
Really?
Yeah. That's
No.
just what it is.
That's
If you followed me on Instagram, let's sign papers. Just any paper. I'll add the details later.
if a guy likes your Instagram story, are you like
No, not like
rishta
that.
pakka?
Like, if we're flirting and he likes it, yeah.
Interesting.
If we're flirting and he likes it, not just any guy liking it.
No, for me it's like I don't notice story likes, story replies. I'm not interested. Like my flirting happens only on WhatsApp.
But like, if a guy that you're kind of interested in starts, like, you start that dance on Instagram and social media, etc., are you also, like I am, a cocaine smelling rat that is just so hopped up? The minute I know that somebody is like into me, I'm like, oh my god, the evidence, it's all lining up. I start putting it on my notice board. I'm like, okay, he hearted my story at 12:56 on this day, and then he liked my photo, and then he he commented on my paid collaboration, like.
This is how you know you've never had a whole phase.
Yeah,
Like this is how you know that you're cooked.
I'm
Like
so
you're
cooked.
fully cooked. Because if some guy liked my story, I'd be like,
Not
do
some
better.
guy.
No,
Like
some
the,
guy that I
yeah,
like.
yeah.
I don't even like, I don't stalk anyone on Instagram. The only flirting that happens is on a private chat between the two of us. Be direct. I'm not interested in hints. I'm not interested in like who took more time to respond. If I took 5 hours to respond and you see my message in 2 minutes, respond in 2 minutes. Know what you want. I don't want to play games. Yes, we're both lying to each other, but that's the game. The game is to be into each other for being into
Masti.
each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. But don't do this like, oh, I took 5 hours to respond, so you take 5 hours to
True.
respond. Like when you see it, respond.
My phone is on all the time.
Yeah.
I'm responding
Yeah.
constantly. Like, I'm always typing.
No, but like say now, right now I'm in a shoot,
Yeah.
right? First of all, I've switched off my like seeing online. Like people can't see when I'm online on WhatsApp because I'm avoiding work.
I want them to see me online because I'm like, I am avoiding you. So please don't text me. Like, if I have not responded, just take it. Take it with
Mm.
all of your
You
chest
know
and
what it is?
confidence.
The right guy double texting you is hot.
It's so hot.
The wrong guy double texting you is, are you a stalker freak?
Yeah.
Like I'm not interested. But how will the guy know if he's the right guy or the wrong guy? So everyone double text.
No, 1 second. The guy knows because you say. You're like, no, you tallow it. But he refuses to see the tallow. And that is the most unattractive thing about a guy. He does not get tallowed. If you are untallowable, you are not for me.
Fuckable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this happened. Like I told you, there's this guy at my workplace. Every time I called him for work, he would ask me out. Like,
So-
how the fuck do I get my work done?
Yeah.
Every time I call you, you're like, so should we go for that gig on Saturday? I'm like, I don't want to fucking go. Can you give me the file? Just give me the file, man.
He's holding the file hostage.
Yeah,
for
he
a day.
literally, he's like, "Teko file chahiye, file chahiye."
Eh.
Bonobo, 9 o'clock. I'm like, fuck. It's so hard
Yeah.
to be like,
I'm trying.
I'm just trying to be normal like everyone else. Why is he so obsessed with me?
What's your taste in men? Do you like these conventionally like tall, dark, handsome? Do you like a dyed hair tattoo vibe? Do you like piercings? What's your scene?
I feel like no woman has a type.
Hmm.
Like it's so mood dependent and it's so day dependent. Sometimes you just like somebody's energy, but they are the opposite of anything you would go for. Sometimes you're just in the mood for like toxicity, so you go for like the absolute worst, and sometimes you go for Prince Charming. No?
Yeah.
I just overall ढांचे में this should be like good grooming, smart, कुछ degree विग्री हो, अच्छा job हो, can talk about many different things, watches the same kind of movies and things that I do, so that we at least have something to talk about, and just is good to his friends and family.
That's a lot.
That's literally
Write a book about it. I was asking for a hookup.
Oh.
Just by the way.
You know that's how I hook up,
That's
right?
true. She hooks up after the papers have been signed, bro. I was more
What's
asking
your
like,
type?
no, I don't have a type.
Okay,
I agree with you about like liking the vibe of the person, but I do have some icks where I'm like, so
We know you have icks.
oh my god.
I love how you bring
Can I
it.
speak on this podcast? Which is for
You're like, guys are
yapping?
nice, but like ick. And then 40 minutes on ick. But like,
But
guys are
why
nice.
should I be nice to a man?
No one's asking you. Just be nice to people in general.
Oh my god! How can she switch up on me like that? You should see this bitch off camera. She is the meanest person. And then, like, suddenly we sit on the pod and she'll give me the brief of the vibe. Now that we're on to it, let's
Did
talk
I
about the
say the
Delhi
brief
versus
was?
Mumbai episode. Let's talk about the Delhi versus Mumbai
I did
episode.
not say the
No,
brief was
no, no.
cunty.
It was. It
It was.
literally was. You said, let's just be assholes. Let's fight about everything. And then I went in with that energy, and she was like, oh, but I have lived in both cities. And I was like, fuck off. You said fight, andha fighting, you said to do. So I'm doing andha fighting.
Okay, tell. Delhi versus Bombay, hook up.
I haven't hooked up with that many Delhi boys.
Okay, what's
That
so?
many. I haven't hooked up
Okay,
with
let's
Delhi boys.
let's rep. I'm going to represent the Delhi boys. You represent the Bombay boys. What are you bringing to the table? I'll tell you what we're bringing to the table.
Okay, Bombay boys are bringing like gadi service. They'll pick you and drop you.
Delhi boys are bringing gadi service. They'll pick you, drop you, and they're bringing a farmhouse, and they're bringing like space. Their parents.
I don't want space. I want one bed. Missionary. I don't want to walk through your fucking house. Like, it's not important.
It is a little important because I do want to walk through your house. I don't want to stand at your door and make out. That's Bombay.
Why?
Because-
What's wrong with
Because
that?
it's so tight. But like the space.
I got it. But I'm like, what's wrong with... You're going to judge people for the size of their house.
Yeah.
That's so Delhi.
And what about it?
Okay. Bombay guys are bringing fashion.
Bombay guys are wearing Delhi clothes in Bombay. They're wearing jackets. Don't wear jackets.
They're not wearing jackets.
It's so
They're
hot.
wearing sweatshirts.
Ugh.
And I actually like it because that implies that a man is just not stepping out in the real world.
Yeah, because
And I love that.
you're like, hey, a coastal climate. What's the best thing to
Delhi
wear here?
boys come to Bombay and wear leather jackets in Bombay. So
Delhi
let's
boys
not...
wear leather jackets. They layer. They dress really well.
She just switched up.
What are you saying?
You said Delhi.
Yeah.
So isn't Delhi like fucking 45 degrees?
Right now, but in the winter,
What do Delhi boys wear in the summer?
they wear polo shirts and boat shoes
Every Delhi boy
and a
I've
Gucci
seen-
belt.
That's disgusting.
That's
The Hermes belt, the Gucci belt with the loafers that match and the fucking pants that never fit right, and a polo shirt, not from Ralph
You can
Lauren, a
actually-
Tommy Hilfiger polo shirt, and a toned is Delhi
no,
boy
no,
coded.
no, no, no. Come to Lodi Gardens, babe. There's some really fit guys running. It's very hot. they're all,
So you
they're
like
all
the
training
South
for.
Delhi guys?
Yeah, I'm from South Delhi, so I'm not going to go to each fucking place, go to Janakpuri and find
But
you a
I'm
star.
saying-
Like,
You can go from Kandivali
yeah,
to Kolaba,
huh?
and Bombay guys will be hot.
I'm telling you, Delhi guys. Dude, Delhi guys, they at least base level, they groom themselves after Virat Kohli. Everyone's in the... They're all okay.
I see. I don't like Bombay guys.
And the best part about Delhi na is that you can also you can have a nice romantic car gedi, which you can't do in Bombay because
Yes, you
every
can.
pothole you go over, you bite the tongue if you're kissing someone.
You make out with someone as they're driving. I don't know. We care about safety in Bombay also. Like when we're driving, we're not horn dogs. We don't want to fuck while driving.
Yeah, because you
we
guys
have
are
the
literally
audacity to
horn-
park in a lane.
What
A dark
lane?
lane.
What dark lane?
Recline the seat.
Find me a lane in Bombay.
You live in a lane, actually. There's no
I-
main road in Bombay. Everything's a lane in Bombay. And the plus side is street lamps don't work in Bombay. So every lane is a makeout lane.
Or it's like very unsafe. Delhi has lots of street
Delhi is so safe. Guys, this just in. Naina has said Delhi is so safe. You know why Delhi is safe?
because you're at
Because
home.
it's not. It's just not. There's no joke to that also. Because, see, this is andha fighting. This is what we were going to do in that episode. And Naina's not as nice to
Delhi
off
boys,
camera.
Delhi boys are also they have a versatile skill set. They do different kinds of jobs. Lawyers here they work in different kinds of law. in Bombay, everything is inadvertently around Bollywood. Everyone is talking about like the film industry. There are only movie posters. Delhi, at least you see some political posters. You see something else happening. There's something else to the city than like Manik Chand, something like, or this developer did this, and buy a flat in Parel for 50,000 crores for 2 BHK.
What?
That's literally Bombay.
Yeah.
Delhi is not like that. Delhi is about culture. Delhi is like, God, you can go for a play at Fiki, or you can go have a really quiet luxury thing,
And no,
or
one
you can have a
second.
loud
One
luxury
second.
situation, or
One
you can go to
second.
MKT and have like fluffy pancakes and go to the Tibetan market.
Have
There's
you
so
heard?
many
Okay,
different things to do in Delhi.
I'll give it to you. Delhi boys look better. Okay, 10 on 10
We've
baddies.
won, guys.
But hear them talk.
Acha, as if
Delhi
the Bombay
boy talking challenge.
Okay, please.
Fail,
Bombay,
bro.
Bombay boys can't. Okay,
Bro,
they can-
you've said gedi. While if a guy said, chal gedi pe jate, I'm like, no, I'm out.
Oh,
I'm
because
so out.
The Bombay boys like, come
A
yeah.
spin. We go on spins.
Don't say that, yeah. Like, literally.
I love the way Bombay boys talk, and South Delhi boys talk exactly like
No, they
Bombay
don't.
boys. Y'all have stolen our culture.
They really
Stop
don't.
appropriating
They call
our
everyone
culture.
mate, firstly, because they all spent one semester in England.
Australia.
Me and my mates.
No,
Just like-
every Delhi boy that I've spoken to starts adapting my lingo.
Okay, but that's because of you. You're just a magnanimous creature.
I don't want this.
Because all the Bombay boys adapt my lingo.
What Bombay boys have you spoken to? I
2,
want
3,
to
and
know.
then they start using utilitarian.
Did I say utilitarian in that episode?
Because I said utilitarian, you're like, utilitarian. Like you never heard the word before.
It's like, what? We were talking about underwear.
Yeah, and I was like, if it's utilitarian.
Util-
Exactly. Cut back to the previous episode.
I did. Vedant. Yeah, okay. So, fine.
Yeah.
Delhi boy. You know, honestly, I want people to want to fuck Delhi boys. Then consent is at least
I
involved.
knew it.
And what? You knew it and what? No, now she starts crying and all the hate goes to me.
Pick me. I'm the best. I'm so sweet.
Okay.
Sakshi's the
Delhi
best.
boys. We love Delhi boys. Delhi boys. Sick, honestly, sick.
Shreya said, please start this episode saying that you yourself are hot. So I'm ending it saying,
That
me,
was-
myself, I am hot.
That was another episode, actually.
Chalo, इस episode में भी डाल देते हैं.
Yeah, I think you're very hot, Naina.
I think women, all women,
I think all women are very hot.
are really pulling game.
Yeah. I also think women just they're exuding something. Like there's some energy that all women are exuding, but I'm like, which man can keep up with this?
Yeah,
Like, and the answer is no one.
No, there's someone.
No.
Before we all feel like fucking
Sa-
shutting. This podcast is saying staying indie only because this is not very uplifting.
Oh, I was saying women are just too good for men.
Yeah, they are, but like there's hope also. I just want to add that.
In the sense that, sure. If you're in love with a guy, you want to put up with his shit, go for it. No, I'm not stopping you.
Yeah.
Like, so what if there's actual research showing that women, every time they get married, lose 10 years of their life? Go for it.
Look at me, I'm 23. And on that note,
Dude, all of Naina's people hate me. Huh? And by all of Naina's people, I'm talking about one man.
he doesn't even know.
It's like Naina takes notes before episodes. Y'all take notes before a hookup. Also, if y'all ever think that kissing someone in the ear is a good idea, it's not. Just a side note. Lots of notes to be given, actually. But maybe we'll do a round 2 if y'all pull using this. If this convinces even one guy to get a lid while a dustbin in his bathroom, I feel like
We have won.
we have won.
Yeah.
Collectively, women have won. Bye. Literally, go buy a dustbin and get off this episode. Go buy a dustbin.
How are you making up stuff? Like literally, you haven't even thought of the whole word. You're like Harvard. Go buy and
Go buy.
Go
Yeah.
buy.
And buy.
Bye.